Hmm? Yeah, there's more cars coming though. Is this everything in your house? Every total? Wow. It's terrible.
Yeah.
Have you seen the city here to help or anything? Anybody?
Well, the mayor came in. They come only for the news.
For the cameras?
Yeah.
This is
the
keep
place.
it, fix it, repair it. Don't.
Already I did. Last time this happened, I fixed it. This car was on the street.
Yeah.
The water is this high.
Oh, this happened when? How many years ago?
I think that was in 2019, something like that.
2019. Oh, okay. Wow.
And you know, I struck.
Yeah, so this one's got water all inside.
See at
Oh,
top,
yeah.
Back. Windshield.
Yep. And look at the electronics. Look at the electronic. Yeah, oh, this is your record.
Like it.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, it's all damaged.
Oh.
Oh, here's the water line.
Yeah, we
See
got
here?
Oh,
How
wow.
high?
Wow.
So
It was
that
Now-
shed
It moved from there
Yes.
to there.
floated
Wow.
through there.
Giant.
Bueno, ahorita te llamo.
Our org is Global Empowerment Mission. We are a branch out of Chico. And so what we brought today was hazmat boots for the community members so they could have protective feet cover while they're going through stuff. Treats, water, little toys, you know, for each one of the pets. And then these are our gym necessity kits. We have a partnership with Goya Foods, so there's a lot of the Goya non-perishables in there. Blankets, wipes so people wipe their hands, wipe the babies, and some diapers. I don't know what else we got.
Passed out boots this morning.
Yeah.